You are now watching World's Fastest Engine on Dartman TV. Let's go.
Welcome to the Thomas and Friends Games World's Fastest Engine, episode 82. Today's competing engines are Frostini, Den, Billy, Original Thomas, Splash Tank James, Henry, Reboot Toby, and Wilson. Now, let's get started with the quarterfinals. Frostini versus Den. Next up, Billy versus Original Thomas. Splash Tank James versus Henry. Finishing up the quarterfinals, Reboot Toby versus Wilson. Semifinals time with Frostini versus Billy. Frostini is off to the finals. Who will he face? Splash Tank James or Wilson?
Wilson.
Final round, Frostini versus Wilson. Wilson is the winner.
Oh, what is happening? No! Oh my gosh.